Let's investigate how the muon becomes the electron and the electron neutrino. First, we can see that this anti-T rishon has been replaced, alter-relating rishon has been replaced by a self-relating rishon. And its anti-partner has formed a boson plus with the anti-complement of the self-relating rishon. Now, if we look at this electron, which now we have the electron configuration, it is different in that all the rishon elements are products of the yellow rishon. They're the anti-elements that are produced by the yellow rishons interacting with other rishons, the other two rishons, the blue and the red. And because of this, this electron is now non-dynamical, which means that there's no kinetic energy produced between these elements because they belong to the same rishon, as opposed to all the rishon's elements that are included in the quarks. The quarks have rishons that are composing them, which are not elements of the same rishon. So therefore, we can say that the elements are dynamical, or that dynamic or kinetic energy is created by their interactions, which is a major difference between the quarks and the higher generation leptons and the first generation leptons, the electron and the neutrino. Now, if we look at this boson plus, we can see that it also has a spin of 0. And therefore, it is scalar. And so we have a scalar boson here. This scalar boson interacting with the electron will cancel the self-relating T rishon and replace it with a self-relating rishon, which will change the electron into a neutrino. Let's investigate this farther by looking at the electric charge in quanta instead of the spin quanta. And so we can see that the electric charge here is -1/3, -1/3, and -1/3 with the self-relating anti-rishon. But when we replace that with the self-relating V rishon, which has a charge of 2/3, then that 2/3 will cancel the -1/3 of the anti-T rishons, leaving you with a 0 charge. And as we'll see later, all of the other appropriate quanta for the neutrino. So in summary, we can see how the self-relating rishons are responsible for transforming the muon into either an electron or an electron neutrino.